Need real estate services that are prompt, reliable, and cater to your needs? If so, call the pros at Real Estate Pros, experts in residential and commercial real estate services. Our Gold Key certified agents serve the entire Central and South Florida markets with the best services around. Whether you're looking to purchase a stunning waterfront property, new construction, or even a golf course, we're here to help. Looking to sell your estate or home? No problem. Our lending experts will make sure the entire experience is a smooth one. At Real Estate Pros, we're a company that is committed to honesty and integrity. And with over 100 hours of training, years of experience, and rated 5 stars on Google, it's easy to see why we're the area's top choice for real estate. Located in the Avalon Marketplace at 3801 Avalon Park, E Boulevard, 2nd floor in Orlando, Florida. If you need help relocating, finding your dream home, or selling your property, Real Estate Pros is here to help. Call us today at 407-381-7861 or visit us online at realestateprosfl.com.